Hi, this is Bianca. Today I'll test one of the most sensitive combinations, Bollinger, Stochastic, and RSI. My goal is to show how to read the market layer by layer and catch reversals before they become obvious. I'll run a series of quick 1-minute trades to check how accurately these indicators work together. Let's see if I can boost the deposit and prove that technique beat intuition. Let's go! If you don't want to guess anymore, just follow the precise system I've already tested for myself. You can copy my trades automatically with minimal risk. And I explain each one daily so you understand the risk.
Now I make like $500 every single day.
My balance is rising each day.
Don't miss the chance. The link is in the description. Message me and I'll add you. I'll start with the platform settings to make my entry points as precise as possible. Chart type, candlestick, time frame, 1 minute. I'm adding Bollinger 3 times. It shows price boundaries and volatility. RSI measures buying and selling strength, and Stochastic shows a reversal moment. Now let's set them up. First, Bollinger, period 30, filters out noise. Deviation 2 determines channel width. These setups help find reversal zones and overbought or oversold levels. Second Bollinger period 30, deviation 3, helps avoid false entries. Third Bollinger period 30, deviation 4, helps spot rare but reliable reversals. Now RSI, period 8, reacts faster to fluctuations, helps catch early reversal points when the trend weakens. Then Stochastic oscillator K, period 12, main line D, period 3, smoothing 3, filters noise. Moving average SMA makes entry smoother. All of this gives an entry point when RSI and Bollinger already show readiness for reversal. This combo merges range analysis, impulse strength, and precise entry timing. The chart is ready. I'll open my first trade for an upward move. $800 trade time, 1 minute. I predict a rise. The price dropped to the very bottom of all 3 Bollinger bands, like 3 layers of protection: inner, middle, and outer. When candles touch the outer band, it means the market has overextended downward and the move is weakening. The Bollinger lines are already bending outward. Red candles are shorter with wicks, a clear sign sellers are tired and can't push the price lower. RSI was at the bottom and just started turning upward. That's when the market shows sellers are losing strength, pressure is fading. Such a bottom reversal is one of the first signs that the price is ready to rise. On Stochastic, the setup is perfect. Both lines are below 20 and crossing upward. Overselling has ended and the market's ready to move up. Everything together points logical to an upward move. Waiting for the trade to close, and my balance goes up by a positive of $1,512. Excellent. Here's an interesting one. I'm opening an $850 trade down. The market clearly aims lower. The price reached the top of the 3 Bollinger markets. Usually, pause or pull back from such spots. The upper bands are curving, signaling slowing growth. Candle bodies are shrinking, wicks appear, showing resistance and weakening upward momentum. RSI's line goes sideways, buyers aren't pushing anymore. The market hit a local ceiling. When RSI flattens at the top, that's a signal of a coming reversal or at least a correction. Stochastic, both lines were high above the overbought zone and now turned downward. Growth has exhausted itself, fewer buyers, market preparation for correction. Everything aligns perfectly. I'm confident. Waiting for the close and a positive of $1,598. Perfect. If you're tired of searching for a working strategy and getting disappointed, stop. In my Telegram, you can connect to my account and see real-life trades there. All trades are transparent. You can watch or copy automatically. I don't charge fees or manage your funds. I post daily participant results. Registration is open until the end of the week, and spots are limited. The link is in the description. Message me and I'll add you. I found a great entry point. Opening a $900 trade up, price dropped to the bottom of all 3 Bollingers, a zone where markets usually rebound as sellers run out of steam. Candles near the lower boundary are shorter, showing the drop is easing. The lower band is curving, downtrends fading, confirming my logic. RSI was low and started climbing. a key sign seller pressure is falling. Stochastic also in oversold and turning upward, confirming a likely rise. Altogether shows the market's ready to bounce up, waiting for the close, and a positive of $1,728 to the balance. Great. Next, I'm opening a $1,000 trade down, predicting a fall. The price climbed to the top of all three Bollingers. The upper boundary acts as resistance, so it's hard to move higher. Candles near the top are smaller, growth slowed, sellers are starting to press, RSI is at the top and moving sideways and down. Buyer strength is fading, momentum weakening. Stochastic also high, lines crossing and turning down, clear correction signal. All signs show upward momentum's exhausted, correction ahead, waiting for the close, and a positive of $1,920 to the balance. Perfect. If you think consistent trading is impossible, just see how it really works. I show every trade live, no cuts, no edits. You can join copy trading and profit alongside me. It's honest, functional, and free. I only take 3 to 5 people daily, so spots go fast. Don't miss out. Link is in the description. Message me and I'll add you. Opening the next trade, a long position for $1,100. I expect the price to rise. The price has dropped to the very bottom of all three Bollinger Bands. It's clear that the downward movement has already slowed, the candles have become shorter, and the momentum has weakened. You can see the candles are smaller with short bodies. The previous pressure is gone. That means sellers are losing control and buyers are beginning to show up. RSI is at the bottom and starting to move upward. This signals that selling pressure is decreasing and the price is ready to reverse. Stochastic is already in the oversold zone with the lines crossing and turning upward, a classic signal for growth. Altogether, this shows the market downward move has run out of steam and the market is ready to bounce up from the lower boundary of the channel. Waiting for the trade to close, and I get a positive of $2,112 to the balance. I'm satisfied. And finally, I'm opening a short position for $1,200. The price has reached at the very top of all three Bollinger Bands. This is the overbought zone, where the market usually stops and makes a pullback. The upper boundary acts as resistance, so the upward move is starting to weaken. RSI is in the upper area and is moving sideways, which means buyer strength is decreasing and the upward momentum is losing energy. Stochastic has already entered the overbought zone and is turning downward, a clear signal for correction. Altogether, this shows that the market is overheated, the rise has run out of steam, and it's logical to expect a downward move. Waiting for the trade to close, and I get a positive of $2,304 added to the balance. I'm satisfied with this trade. Today, Bollinger, RSI, and Stochastic once again prove that even short trades can be precise if you build the right system. My advice, stop searching for magic indicators. Learn to see when impulse ends and where a new cycle begins. That's the real control over the market.